Hello my loves, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing and I can't wait to show you all the items that I picked up from Sydney and also some of the items that I picked up recently. So if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Mel. If you love all things luxury, like designer bags, shoes, fashion hauls, then this is the channel for you. I would love for you to join my YouTube family, and all you need to do is hit that red subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell because then you'll be notified each time I upload. I can't believe that we are almost at 150k. I promised you guys that when we hit 200k, I'm going to be giving away a designer bag. So I need your suggestions. So do comment below because I am already looking now. So let's get right into the unboxings and I cannot wait to show you some of the items I got. Some of them are pretty different. First up is something from Salvatore Ferragamo and this is actually for hubby. No particular reason, but you know sometimes it is just nice to surprise the one that you love. And also I know that there are a lot of guy viewers on my channel, so you always give me the feedback. If there are any sort of male items that you get for your husband, please do show us because it gives us ideas. And also for you ladies, it gives ideas what to buy your significant other too. So anyway, I saw these and I just thought they were perfect for hubby for work. And I will show you. So I think Ferragamo make excellent shoes. As you can tell, it is shoes from the box. And so it has two dust bags, these gorgeous pair of loafers. And what I really love about these pair of loafers is that it's sort of like a So Black version. Can you see the buckle, the Cancini buckle? That's iconic, obviously, Ferragamo. And he loves loafers. I know that he's been looking for a pair of work shoes. When I saw these, I'm like, perfect. I think this is a style that is just classic. You just can't go wrong with loafers. And he doesn't have something that is all black. So let me tell you the price. They were 995 Australian dollars. So if I can find them, I will definitely link them. But there are versions with the silver and the gold that you probably can find a little bit cheaper. But I really loved the So Black version. And I find with Salvatore Ferragamo that they run pretty true to size. He does have another pair. So I just went with what he previously bought before, which is a 42 euro or a US 8. And one thing about this is because the fit is slightly wider, because his feet is a little bit wider, he finds them super comfortable. So guys, if you need a pair of black loafers, I recommend these ones. So next up is actually a bag reveal and I love this bag. I actually already own it. So when I saw a new color came out, I was like already dying, and I'm talking about, yes, the SENREVE bag. Let me show you. This is a color they came out with a couple of months ago and I honestly love this bag. So this is in the color Chili and it is called the Mini Maestra Bag. This is not a sponsored video, guys, but SENREVE did kindly gift this to me. And this style, I just love. You guys know I already own the white. I took it to Hawaii with me. Miss S loves it. We share it. I just use it so much. It's a great run around errands bag and it's scratch resistant, it's water resistant. I just don't need to worry about it. It's like a great rainy day bag. The difference between this one and my cream one is that this is in a leather called mimosa leather. So it's sort of got like a bark-like finish. And so it makes the bag sort of stiffer. So I love this bag because you can wear it so many different ways. Obviously you can wear it by the top handle, you can wear it crossbody, you can wear it as a backpack, which is Miss S's favorite way of wearing it. And I just can't say enough good things about this bag. So if you guys didn't want to invest in a designer bag and you want to try it out, to me, this is still a luxury handbag. It's still made in Italian factories. So these are artisans that have worked previously with other luxury brands, but I love that it is made in Italy. I don't normally like double up on bags, and this is a bag that even if they didn't give to me, I would repurchase this because I use it a lot. Let me just quickly show you the inside. I love that it's got the micro suede lining. So it is in blue and it has lots and lots of compartments. And guys, you know I'm always transparent with you. Like I could have picked the most expensive bag if I wanted. But I honestly love this bag. I think it comes in 3 different sizes, like a really big version, which is great if you want to put like a 13-inch laptop, but I think that that's too big personally. And it comes in a medium-sized version, but this is the Mini Maestra, which to me is my favorite. So if you wanted a bag that's under $700 US, I really recommend this bag. And also I saw on their website that they were giving a free keychain or a pair of earrings, because for International Women's Day, as you know, which was last month, they had an offer running. So I did ask them, I said, I know it's finished, but can I just offer that to you guys if you were interested in buying any of their bags? It doesn't have to be this one. If you spend over $300, you can get a free Octopi, like keychain or earrings. And that's just like a little octopus sort of keychain, which is like their symbol. And I guess it just symbolizes with an octopus, you know, with its many arms, that we are women that have a lot of diverse roles and responsibilities. So I love that it symbolizes that. So if you enter the code EMPOWER in the gift message section at checkout and just say if you want the key ring or the earrings, you get that for free for any purchase over $300. And normally that offer finishes last month, but you guys know I love to ask. If you don't ask, you don't know, right? So I just asked them, can they extend that offer? And they kindly have. So I will leave the link to their website below. Do go check it out for yourself, but I can't rave on about this bag enough. I love it, and I think you guys will love it too. So next up is another bag, and I do want to say, guys, I am honestly like a bag lover. So whilst I love my designer bags, you know, like I love my Hermes and my Chanel and my DIOR and so forth, this is, I would say, still a premium brand, but definitely not designer, and it is from GAIA. Now, I know that they are really well known for like their ARC bag, but I feel like I've seen that around way too much. When I saw this bag, I was like, I gotta get it. And you'll know why when I unbox it. And I'm really excited about this. Honestly, I am not one just to buy a bag because it has to have a label on it. I really appreciate, I don't know, just the style of the bag. And I will absolutely buy bags that are not, say, your typical designer brand. Anyway, let me show you. So I bought this from Moda Operandi. And so the first time I actually bought from them before. I would say the delivery was a little bit longer than usual. I will link this bag in the description below because I just saw that it came out in Net-a-Porter and some of the sites that we're a bit more familiar with. But let me show you. You guys are going to think, what the? You're going to love it or hate it. So it comes in this dust bag. And to reveal, oh my gosh, look at this bag. Isn't it like a work of art? You guys know I love art. It's so sculptural. It is just, yeah, I just think it looks so cool. I think it looks a lot more expensive than it is. And I just saw it. I love green, as you guys know. I love the design. And you know what's so cool? When you open it up, so you just push the button and you open it up and you take all this stuff out. Yes, you can't fit a lot in there, but a bigger size iPhone just fits. Look. Oh, it fits in there. I think this looks so good, just even paired with what I'm wearing, denim and like a nice top or even like a white dress, whether you wear it at the crook of your arm or you just wear it handheld. Isn't it just so cool? And when you're not wearing it, even if you just kind of sit it on your makeup table or on your shelf, it just looks so pretty. You can just have it opened up and store sort of items on it. So as I said, if it fits a bigger size iPhone, you could fit a card case, you can definitely fit all your essentials. So it's made of 100% acrylic. So it's not that heavy actually. And it's got, I love the beaded handle. So it's just in a cube shape. And then it's got Cult GAIA. Am I pronouncing that right, guys? If I'm not, let me know. But Cult GAIA on the back. It actually does have 4 little feet. And I just like that it's so different. So let me know your thoughts. It does come in other colors. I saw the white as well, which I didn't see because they came out with this first. So I will link it below if you guys are interested. But I'm just really glad to add sort of really different pieces to my bag collection. Oh, guys, I forgot to tell you the price. So I paid for it in USD actually from Motor Operandi, and it was 350 USD, which in my opinion, I thought was pretty good because I think it looks more expensive than it actually is. So let's move on to the couple of items that I bought in Sydney. If you haven't seen my Sydney shopping vlogs, I have part 1 and part 2. I will link them above. Thank you so much for the feedback. I wanted to try something a little bit different last time, so I actually split the long vlog into 2 and did it on 2 consecutive days, and you guys seem to like it, so I'll try to do that in future. So these purchases weren't planned. I just kind of went in because I had a little bit of time to kill, and yeah, I just picked these 2 items. The first item is from DIOR, and it is just something little, but I'm glad I found it because the Melbourne store had sold out, and you would have seen this in the vlog, and it is this gorgeous Toit de Jouy twilly. So I first saw this in Hawaii, and they did come in other colors like green and blue, and so they only had the red left, but I was sort of deliberating between the red and the green anyway. There was one lucky last red one left. Oh, sorry guys, I realized that my microphone wasn't plugged in. What can I do? Sometimes you just forget these things. So excuse the sound before, this sounds a little bit different. So what I was saying was that there was one lucky last Toit de Jouy red twilly left, and I thought, it's meant to be, I'm gonna get it. I do love red, and this Toit de Jouy print I absolutely love. And so the twilly is, or the mitsa, in Dior they call it mitsas, is 310 Australian dollars. So I actually love that you can wear it, you know, I would wear it as like a little neck scarf as well, or even tied in my hair, and you can wear it 2 ways. So you can wear it that way, or you can wear it the striped way too. And next is something from Hermes. Again, I want to say thank you to everyone that came up and said hello. I love meeting you guys. It actually makes my heart so happy. And this is something that I did tick off. It was something I mentioned in my wish list. So you guys are good. I think a couple of you already guessed. But I didn't see this in the Melbourne store. So yeah, they just gave me a card, a perfume sample. I will tell you the price in a second. And from this bag, you probably can already tell what it is. And it is, yes, in here. And let me just flip it open. So I actually wanted the t-shirt version, but Australia never got it. But anyway, this is a tee, and I wanted to add another Hermes tee. If you haven't seen my 2019 wish list, I will link it above. But I did want to add another Hermes tee, and I love that this one is sort of 3/4. When I first saw it, I was like, mustard, I'm not sure. But I really did sort of like it because I think when you wear it with denim, I think it will look really nice with a pleated skirt as well. And I just sort of like the neckline, that it was sort of like a boat neck, but not quite like a boat neck, if that makes sense. So that is what it looks like. I'll put a clip of me trying it on. But I love the color blue, so I just think it's quite striking. And I think this is definitely a piece you need to try on because it didn't have that much hanger appeal. But the SA said, just try it on, and I tried it on, and I'm like, yeah, I kind of like the casual vibe to it. So that is my Hermes piece, and Hermes ready-to-wear pieces are really expensive. So if you think that this tee is expensive, it totally is. But I always share prices. It is the Bouclerie Modern, excuse my pronunciation, but basically it just means modern buckles. As you can see, the buckle detailing, because you know with Hermes, it takes a lot of inspiration from its equestrian heritage. So the price is $1,195. I know, so expensive, but all designer t-shirts I find are sort of like 700 plus, and I do really love the quality of it. I wear my other Hermes tee heaps, and yeah, I just think this is very vibrant. It's a pop of color and just something a little bit different. And lastly is also a couple of things from Hermes. I did order this ages ago and I didn't have time to pick it up, but I'm glad that my sales associate could find it for me. So it's from the Chadstone Boutique. And again, no surprise, I am a huge twilly lover, and it is these twillies. They're all black versions. So all black twillies are pretty hard to get from Hermes for some reason. They do a lot of colors, but they don't do the all black version. So of course I need to get a pair for my black Birkin. So the twillies in Australia are $285. So I just really like the black and white version, and I actually don't have black twillies, so I think that this will match quite a few of my bags. So that is it, guys. That is my pretty big luxury haul. I'm glad to add a couple more bags to my collection, and yeah, I'm just glad to get hubby a present and get some accessories. So I do hope you enjoyed it. As always, if you like this video, I would really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. And oh, don't forget to enter my Louisa V Aroma giveaway. I'm giving away a $1,000 gift card. It ends in a few days, but yeah, it's open worldwide. So I will leave that link down below as well. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day or night, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye, guys.